Today, our focus is on something super important in design: color. Colors are like the special ingredients that make a design pop and come alive. Just like how you use different colors when you paint a picture. We will learn how to pick and use colors in Figma to make our designs look amazing. Don't worry if you are new to all this. We are going to take it one step at a time. And by the end of this video, you will be a color picking pro in Figma. Ready to create beautiful designs that catch everyone's eye. So grab your digital paint brushes and let's dive right in it.
Now guys, we are going to talk about colors in Figma, like how we can use different colors in our designs, in our elements, how we can pick colors from different elements in another design or another tool, and we can how we can use that color in our Figma elements or in our Figma UI designings. So let's directly jump into Figma. So guys, as you can see right now, I do have this design over here. Right now, you need to understand that if you are creating a low fidelity, which means lo-fi design, then you don't need any extra colors or you don't need any multiple colors. It is okay with the black and gray color and the white color. You can go with the these colors only. You don't need to fill in all different kind of colors. But if you are going with high fidelity or hi-fi designing, then you should definitely use multiple colors so that it can give you the feel like the final product or the final version. Right now, let's say you want to fill any color in this shape, right? So what you need to do is you just need to select that shape and you'll be able to see this fill option. Right, in fill option there are all the color related options, and this is the main option. Right now, as you can see, it is by default it is set on gray color. So you just need to click here. Right, when you click here, this kind of option will appear in front of me. So this is basically a color palette where you can select the different colors. Right, from here you can change different colors. Right, and then you can set the intensity, like you want light, dark, or more darker, something like that. Right, even you can go with the gradient option as well, where you can set two different types of colors. Right, you can do horizontal gradient, vertical gradient, or something like this. Right, and then you can select the two colors, like the darker side should be, you need to select the first which part you want to make it darker. Like let's say one side you want green color and the another side you want this violet color, and this is how the gradient looks like. Although this is looking pretty OG or pretty bad, but yeah, I give gave you the idea like how you can apply gradient colors as well. So let me go with the solid color again. Now, as I told you that this is the color filling option. Right now, as you can see, this is also an option where you can make the shape or the make the element totally invisible or transparent, and then you can gradually increase the opacity. So basically it is a opacity tool where you can make it invisible or transparent, and then you can make it visible 100%. This comes also in the color option. So if you want to make any element a little bit transparent, then you can use this tool. Right now, here we do have this eyedropper button as well. Right, eyedropper is used for, let's say I do have one element over here. Let me transfer, or let me bring one element here. As you can see guys, I've drag and dropped one Figma logo. Right now, I want to use these colors into my designing. So how I can use that? So in this case, I can use the eyedropper button. So for that, I need to select the shape or the design first, where I need to fill in the colors. Right, for example, I need to fill this rectangle. Right now, first I need to select that rectangle, then I'll go to the fill option again. Let me make it solid first, 100%. Right now, I'll select the eyedropper option, and once I select the eyedropper option, let me close this, and here you can see that my cursor is changed into the eyedropper icon. Now I can select the color whatever I want. right? And here it shows the color. Let's say I want to go with this blue color, and below that you'll be able to see the color code as well. So just you need to click here and the blue color will be filled automatically. This is how you can use the eyedropper option. Let's say I want to fill this button as well. So select that button, go back to this, select eyedropper option, then we close this and select the color, whatever the color you want to add, right? So this is the best way to copy the color. Now there's one more option. Basically there is a shortcut for eyedropper. Let's say you don't want to go basically you don't want to go back again to fill the option, then select the eyedropper. So there's one simple shortcut key to use the eyedropper, which is letter I. You just need to press the letter I on your keyboard and the eyedropper option will be automatically turned on. As you can see, now I can select this. So first select the shape, press I and select the color. That's it, right? You can do multiple times this thing. Now there's one more thing. Let me select the shape first. Here you will be able to see that it shows 100%. Basically this is the intensity of the color. Let's say you want to make this color a little bit lighter. So what you can do is you can decrease the intensity like this, right? So basically this option and this option is the same. As I told you, intensity or the transparency, both are same, right? And then we do have this I button. Let me close this. We do have this I button which will disappear the item which you have selected, right? I hope you understood. So this is what we have with our colors. In high fidelity versions we use these colors often, very often, to make our design look very beautiful and eye catchy, right? So when we'll be creating the high fidelity mockups or high fidelity versions of designing, then we'll use these colors. But on the low fidelity or lo-fi versions, lo-fi wireframing, we don't use these colors. There should be the very subtle colors like black, gray and white. That's it. Now let's meet in the next video.
So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was really helpful and you liked the content, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon. We are coming up with more interesting topics in the upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye.